Bonjour à tous, hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will be doing something that I've been wanting to learn for a very long time, which is learn how to TIG weld. La boutique du Soudeur and EasyWeld were kind enough to send me this weld line EasyWeld TIG welder, which is an AC/DC welder, so it means that it can weld both aluminium as well as stainless steel and just regular steels. So can't wait to open this one up and try it out.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide.
So this is the cable for stick welding, MMA, because this welder can do both TIG as well as stick welding, so which is basic MMA, which is very nice for some thicker metal or to do some like work on the field when I don't have the gas with me. Yeah, this one.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just always staying on the move, I'll go all night, if that's just what I gotta die.
Okay, so here we have a nice user manual which guides you to the settings you must use for the different type of welding, like steel, alloy and different thickness. Use this for parameters. We have a set of tungsten electrodes, those are turquoise, which will be nice to try to weld steel. We are gonna grind those up in a bit.
Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta die. It's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the
I have an early key pure argon gas tank right here that the boutique du Soudeur supplied to me as well, so we are going to connect it.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side.
We have two gauges here, so one is the pressure of the bottle and the other one is the flow, so the gas that you need to adjust for the welding that you are doing. So I have a chart here saying which flow I need for the type of steel that we are going to weld. Okay, so the first piece that we are going to test is this piece of steel, which is 3mm thick. So we are going to set the welder to weld this 3mm metal. I am using the weld line guide so I can know which amperage I need and what kind of flow I need on the argon gas. So here are my very first TIG weld. So this one I try to make without any add-on metal, and those one are the one I try to do by adding some metal on it. I don't think it looks that bad. I'm gonna try again, and this time maybe try to weld something like this. So here it is, my very first real TIG weld. Not sure if you guys can see it, but I don't think it looks that bad. I think that the test and this EasyWeld TIG 200 welder from La Boutique du Soudeur is really nice. I can't wait to try this out on the build, because I will have something that will be very useful, and it is, god damn, it's blocked. This little bike right here. Look at all those poor weld. What I try to do with my old welder.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So you can see here the new TIG weld that I did to reinforce the forks, and this one is looking quite nice. I also use it on some transmission mode, so like this you can see the tiny TIG weld, as well as here on the inside. So yeah, overall I am super happy with this new TIG welding machine. So thanks again to EasyWeld and La Boutique du Soudeur for supplying this. It will be really helpful for the channel to work on all those different projects. And what I like with TIG is that it will allow me to do a lot of kind of weld that I just cannot do with my old flux core welding machines. And I am also able to work on stainless steel as well as aluminium, so it is quite nice. So I hope you guys like this video and the learning process of how to TIG weld, and you will see more of it in the upcoming video, because I have a lot of projects that will require some welding. So thanks again guys, and I see you very soon.